Are you tired of sending appointment confirmations without knowing if they actually look right to your customers? You are not alone. It is a total guessing game until you hit send. But here is the good news. You can preview those emails instantly in Hostinger. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through exactly where to click to access those email previews. Then we will test the confirmation text, the reschedule button, and the cancel button. By the end of this video, you will have complete confidence that every single detail is perfect before a customer ever sees it. Alright, let us start by opening your site in the Hostinger website builder. Go ahead and pull it up. It should look familiar if you have been working on your booking setup. Now look over at the sidebar on the left. You are going to see a shopping cart icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your store and booking related settings live. From that shopping cart menu, you will see an option for emails. Click on that. This is the hub for every automated message your site sends out. Now inside the emails section, look for the tab or link that says Email Previews. Click on that. This is the key. Instead of sending test emails to yourself over and over, you can see every template right here. Scroll down through the list of email templates until you find the section called Appointments. Click on that to expand it. Under Appointments, you will see a template named Appointments Confirmation. Click on that one. This is the email your customer gets right after they book a time slot. Now here is the really satisfying part. Click on the Preview button. This will pull up the email exactly as your customer would see it in their inbox. Take a moment to just look at it. This is your safety net. Now let us interact with the preview. Click on the confirmation text that says something like, "Your appointment for test product name at Sample Coffee Company is confirmed. Need to change it? Use the buttons below." This confirms that the text is clear and accurate. It should match your brand and your service. Next, test the Reschedule button. Click on it inside the preview. Does it take you to a logical page or prompt? Make sure the link works. A broken reschedule link is a fast way to frustrate a customer. Finally, test the Cancel button. Click on it to complete the check. This is just as important as the reschedule. You want to make sure your customers can easily cancel if they need to. And that is it. You have now previewed and tested every key part of your appointment confirmation email. No more guessing. No more hoping it works. You have verified the text, the reschedule link, and the cancel link all from inside the builder. Now you can send that confirmation out with total peace of mind. Thanks for watching.